Back again, Model Rocks 321. Today we're going to talk about my scissor wing transport. Estes had a tragedy. This rocket's this is a great rocket. It says launches as a rocket, converts into a glider. The scissor wing, it pops out the pod, flips that around, and glides back home as it's supposed to. However, right here, total devastation, but fixable. I launched it, and you will see a video of that shortly. Just wanted to share the tragedy with you guys. Launched, arched over, and went into the ground. Then it ejected, but the pod didn't fully come out. This is an old build, but I don't know. Everything was built to perfection. Got the little rudder there, still has it. Everything stayed intact, all the parts are here. This tube will be replaced. The pod's still inside it, and pull it out with the parachute compartment. But you can see where it ejected and it blew this apart, hit the ground. The cone's still good. I had nose weight here because I always go slightly tail heavy because I don't want it to nose dive. I prefer it to do it stall, up and down stall, and then go to the ground than a straight up nose dive. But my scissor wing transport is in parts. Like I said, everything broke cleanly. That came apart there, can be re-glued right there. New tube will get measured. This will be back in the air. I mean, this is great. I'm so glad that it broke. Nothing like snapped off, like broke in a weird way where I have to design a new part. It's just a break that everything broke cleanly. I can get this back up and gonna try it again. I don't know what that was because it launched, it went like over, arched, and then went down. It was strange. It was stable, got up pretty high, not way up, but arched over, I say 50 feet or so, maybe even 50, 60 feet, arched over, and then went on down and went to the ground. I know they work. These rockets do work. They're really great. It's one of the great designs in the hobby, but I just don't get what took place. I'm gonna check center of gravity and everything before I fly, but I don't know. I still puzzled with what took place the other day. So Model Rocks 321, check this link right here. Be sure to visit the Model Rockets 321 Space Shop for logo tees, mugs, and other space-related merchandise. So yes, appreciate you guys. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. The scissor wing transport is no more as of right now, but it will be back in the air soon.